It's a 2018 Nissan Rogue SV Midnight Edition all-wheel drive. It's brand new. I'm having a problem where I am hearing a grinding sound like a motor or a fan with a bad bearing somewhere in the dashboard immediately after opening the door. The engine needs to be shut off for 25 minutes and the door has to be closed for at least 1 minute for this to happen. Okay, the grinding sound stopped, and it typically runs for about 13 seconds and then stops. To do it again, I'll have to wait 1 minute and then open the door, or wait 1 minute after the door has been last closed.